Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term, a yart. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, a yart is a modest rural home or cabin, often found in mountain regions. People use it when talking about simple country living or visiting a family cabin. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. A yart first showed up in Appalachian English, blending the words a and yard to describe a simple rural house. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among people from or familiar with Appalachian culture. Now let's check out how to use a yart in a sentence. Correct example 1. We spent the weekend chilling at my uncle's a yart deep in the mountains. Correct example 2. After the hike, we all gathered back at the a yart to relax. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said a yart at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using a yart right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. A yart means a modest rural cabin or home. It started in Appalachian English, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with a yart in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.